The Zuar Runner data staging platform helps you access data from different sources, puts it into a single database so it's all in one place, then prepares or stages the data so it can be easily analyzed in a BI tool like Tableau. Let's pretend that I work at a business that sells clothing and accessories. We've been growing steadily, but we need to start getting better insight from our data so that we can make important decisions. Part of the challenge is that we have data in different places, which makes it hard to get a comprehensive view of what's happening throughout the business. In fact, the reporting interface that's provided in each of our different systems is fairly limited, so we can't get as much detail as we need in our reports. In our case, we use NetSuite for our ERP, HubSpot for our marketing, and Salesforce for our CRM. We've looked into building integrations from these systems ourselves, but that would require technical skills that we can't spare right now. And even if we could, it would be a lot of work to maintain them. We've also looked to add ETL tools, but most are too expensive and too complex. We don't need a lot of functionality available in those ETL tools anyways. We just need to get a single source of truth for all of our data and a way to automate the process. That's where Zuar Runner comes in. Instead of us struggling with data integrations, databases, hosting, or hardware, the Zuar team who built Zuar Runner helped us determine exactly what we need, and they set it up for us. They even pulled in data from each system so that we got off on the right foot immediately. Then they showed us how to use it ourselves, which turns out is pretty easy. We can log into Zuar Runner and see the status of all the data coming into the database. We can also add new data. For example, my team has a project we're working on that requires us better insight into the invoices our company is sending to customers. I'll click Add, then I'll find NetSuite from the connector library. I enter my account information and choose what NetSuite data I want to add. Once I click Run to add the data to the database, I can schedule this so it runs automatically. Now that the data is integrated, I might find that the analysis I'm doing requires additional preparation of the data. Zuar Runner makes it easy for me to transform and enhance the data using standard SQL and schedule that process as well. In our case, we had some complex analytics needs and we didn't know exactly what to do. No problem. Zuar team was there to help. We now not only have custom reports and dashboards that update automatically, we have a single source of data for everything in our business. We can drill in as much as we need, we can add new data, and manipulate that data easily so that the solution grows with us. Plus, we've done this at a fraction of cost of other ETL tools.